For doors, windows and openings, we can also insert gratings. For the window object, among the various characteristics, we can define the grating model. Which can be chosen from the catalogue. In fact, we can choose with or without a frame, or even a shaped grating model. According to the chosen grating model in the geometry section, we can then define other grating model characteristics. We can also change the grating position, choosing from external, central or internal, and if necessary an offset value to determine an overhang. We can also customize these overhangs and attachment points, defining lateral offsets, upper or lower, specifying the number of attachments.